Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying to do a look that I just did. Like I just filmed this look for y'all. And when I went back to try to edit it, the video was gone. It said it couldn't be loaded or something. So I'm trying it again today because it went really well on Instagram when I shared the picture, because I was hoping I was going to have the video because I was going to do an Instagram video and a YouTube video and maybe put it on a Facebook video. I don't know. So hopefully today it turns out nice. I will leave everything that I used today, you guys, down below so you guys can get it, because today I will be using a lot of stuff. I will put like a picture maybe in here just to show you guys what I did yesterday if this video goes well and records. I mean, it recorded yesterday. It just wouldn't let me view it. And it's weird because you gave me my pictures, but it didn't give me my video. And yesterday, y'all, I went in on my look. Like, I sat here probably like 4 hours to do this look. And now I gotta sit here another 4 hours to do this look. That's because I'm dedicated and I love you guys, and I just think it came out amazing. And it was the 1st of October, so when you see this, it'll probably be like the sometime in October if it comes out right. So hopefully it goes. But I've already did my base, you guys. I did my foundation, my highlight. I did a little bit of contour, not too much, because I'm gonna change my contour color in the video. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Everything looks good. Like, my base look good, y'all. Right? My eyebrows, everything looks bomb in this video. So hopefully this video goes well. So if you're interested in watching, keep on watching. Okay. Hopefully you can keep watching. But I also did say to you guys, I'm gonna do one eye off of camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys the other eye, just to save time for the video, because like I said, this thing took me like 4 hours to do. Hopefully today, since I know what I did, it won't take me that long. It's currently 10 o'clock a.m. So I will let you guys know the time when I finish it, when we finish the whole video, then I'll let y'all know what time it was, because baby, it took all day yesterday. Okay guys, so this is what one side looks like. I'm not done with this side. I just want to do half of it on this eye. Now the only difference from my picture that I'm going to have as my cover on Instagram, if you guys see it on Instagram already, is I didn't use glitter pigment today, because after this video I need to film another video. And glitter is just so hard to get off, and I didn't want that all over my face for my next video, so that's why I didn't use the glitter pigment. But I kind of like this. I kind of like this look better, and I used different lashes today too. So y'all can go with whichever one y'all want. I will still leave the glitters down below that I used in the picture. I will still leave the glitters that I used from the look yesterday down below in the description bar below, so you guys can get those as well. Also, I will leave the name of the colors that I use. I don't know if I'm going to put it on the screen, you guys. I'm using the Color Me All Over by Ty Dillon palette. Looks like this. So I'm just using the purples, the blues. I use this gold and this blue. No, I use this yellow and then this blue. And I use a little orange in my crease, my transition area. So that's usually what I'm using, you guys. The diamonds are from Dollar Tree. I will have everything down below, like I said. And I'm using cotton candy eyelashes because, bitch, they bomb. And she sent me a bunch, and, bitch, I love them. Not because she sent them to me, because they are bomb. Like, do y'all see how fluffy it look? Like, look how fluffy it look. How fluffy it is. Girl. Bomb. Now, on this eye, I'm not going to use the same colors, I don't think. We going to see. I don't know. We creating, child. We painting. So let's get on into it. Hopefully this video goes well and you guys can see this video, because I really like the look. So let's try to get it to.
In a wonderland without angels, that is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. Cause I'm incomplete. Cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. Cause I'm incomplete.
Got me sitting by my phone, I've been waiting for hours. On my line sending me a picture of you fresh out the shower. So I might as well swing over to your place. Now it's crowded in LA, but I'll be there at 8 if the traffic allows it. See you down, I can show you around if you're really about it, yeah. But for you, I got something to prove. What do you say? What do you say now? Should we bring it right back? Honestly, it's better like that. I know we've been falling off track. Bring it right back. I just bet the time roll past. We don't gotta take it too fast. Bring it right back. You don't gotta stay tonight. I just wanna take the time. I know all the things you like. Or maybe if the mood is right, we can bring it right back. See, got the weed, we could sit by the beach if you wanna get faded. But if that's not the vibe, yeah, it's cool, we could save it for later, yeah. I just like the way it feels when you're around. When you're around, now I know we're not dating, maybe soon by the way things go, we were talking for ages. Take it step by step, slow it down, we just need to be patient, If the love feels good and it's real, it would all work out. It'll all work out, yeah. Should we bring it right back? Honestly, it's better like that. I know we've been falling off track. Bring it right back. I just bet the time roll past. We don't gotta take it too fast. Bring it right back. You don't gotta stay tonight. I just wanna take the time. I know all the things you like. Or maybe if the mood is right, should we bring it right back? Honestly, it's better like that. I know we've been falling off track. Bring it right back. I just bet the time roll past. We don't gotta take it too fast. Bring it right back. You don't gotta stay tonight. I just wanna take the time. I know all the things you like. Got me sitting by my phone, I've been waiting for hours. On my line sending me a picture of you fresh out the shower. So I might as well swing over to your place. Now it's crowded in LA, but I'll be there at 8 if the traffic allows it. See you down, I can show you around if you're really about it, yeah. But for you, I got something to prove. What do you say? What do you say now? Should we bring it right back? Honestly, it's better like that. I know we've been falling off track. Bring it right back. I just bet the time roll past. We don't gotta take it too fast. Bring it right back. You don't gotta stay tonight. I just wanna take the time. I know all the things you like, or maybe if the mood is right, can bring you right back. Say, got the wheel.